Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to get the Netflix app on Mac. The initial step is to open up your preferred browser. In this case, I am using Safari, which is available on all Mac devices and is highly recommended. And after opening the browser, proceed to access Netflix by typing in the website address netflix.com. Once the website loads, you may sign into your account. However, it is not necessary to sign in to access the content. So for this tutorial, I will not be signing in. Once you have accessed the website, simply move the browser window downwards to proceed. To proceed, position your mouse over the URL or domain box and hold down the clicker with your finger. Next, drag the cursor away from the box to proceed with the next step. After dragging the URL away, you will notice the title Netflix. Drop the URL by releasing your finger, and it will appear under the title Weblogs Netflix. This is the app, but we will still have a few more steps to complete. Next, click on the Weblogs Netflix title once it is highlighted. Then, open a new tab or use the same tab in Safari and search for Netflix app logo transparent. Type in the search term Netflix app logo transparent in the search box to customize the search. Then, click on the Images tab to display the images. Select a suitable logo such as the one from Wikipedia to proceed. Next, scroll down the main page and click on the Netflix app or shortcut. Click on the app with two fingers and select Get Info. This will open the Info tab for the app. Now, click on the image and drag it with your finger to select it. Once selected, move the image to the left corner of the info box. Once you have placed the image in the top left corner, release it when the green plus sign appears. The image will then be added to the info box. You should now see the new Netflix app. Close the Safari tab and the info tab. Double-click on the new Netflix app. You should now be taken directly to the Netflix website. This is a convenient way to create shortcuts. You can add it to your dock or keep it on your website. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.